Good morning, YouTube. Today I'm here to show you how to do rear brakes on a 2005 Buick LeSabre. Now this is going to apply to all GM products with rear actuated calipers. Actuated meaning the e-brake is built into the caliper and you have to screw the piston back to reset the piston instead of pushing it back. But we're going to show you how to do that as well. Let's get started. First thing you're going to do is you're going to grab a 13mm, take this e-brake cable off. I'm going to grab a 12mm. Sorry about the mess. I'm by myself today. Loosen this bottom bolt. Now there's no top bolt on this model. Some have a top bolt, this one don't. Put that aside. Now you're going to take a flathead screwdriver or a pry bar. Well, that one came off, so we don't need the pry bar, but sometimes you got to stick it under there and pry it off. And the reason why we took that line off right there is so we can swivel the caliper. Notice if it was still bolted down, we wouldn't be able to do that. Pull your caliper off. Go ahead and take your pads off. The new pad's right here. Now the new pad, the wear indicator goes on the inside. Whoops, sorry, my hands ain't working this morning. This little notch right here, this caliper grabs this little notch. So put that on the inside, this one on the outside. Now we're going to screw that back, and I'm going to show you how to do that. You can do this a few different ways. You can use pliers, and you can turn. You can keep doing that until it screws back. Notice it's pushing back. It's a little harder to do it this way. Normally I would use this tool. These little notches grab into right here and you screw it back. But for y'all's sake at home, I'm going to show you how to do it the driveway style. Preferably long needle nose pliers, but you can use short ones too. Really any type of pliers that will grab into those holes, which you can find at home, will work. Alright, till it's screwed all the way back. And you want to face this notch towards the front. That way it can grab that notch, or sorry, this notch on the back side when it resets. So we're just going to slide that back over. And if this is dried out, put a little bit of wheel bearing grease or high temperature grease on that slide right there. But this one seems fine, so I'm not going to do that. And just push it down, push that back, push it down. Grab your bolts, your 12mm. Snug it down. Put your 13mm back. Hand start it. Snug that down. And this ABS wire clip it back to there so it don't rub the body of the car, the frame, because eventually it'll rub through and cause a short. So make sure you clip that back. At any rate, I hope this video has been informative. Y'all have a good day. Please check like down below. Peace out, YouTube.